Friday, so we are in the kitchen making some drinks today, and this beer drink isn't something you're gonna find on tap. We guarantee it's gonna bring the spice when it's going down the hatch. Milissa Crawford from Port Fonda is here to show us how to make the Hatch Chile Michelada Verde.
Yes, yes,
I've been saying Michelada wrong here
It's a
the last
mouthful.
5 minutes. So, but she said it's Michelada, so it's Michelada, right?
Michelada, exactly.
Michelada. So what exactly is a Michelada?
So a Michelada is a Mexican, think of it like a Mexican red beer. So like how we would put tomato juice in a Bud Light. So in the 1900s during the Revolution, the general used to take his soldiers to the bar and get them these Micheladas. And it's essentially a beer that's prepared with lime juice and hot sauce. And the cool thing about that is you can kind of make it your own. It can be whatever beer you want, however spicy that you'd like.
Okay.
At the restaurant, we offer a normal version year-round that's going to be red, but because it's Hatch Chile season, we did a Michelada Verde version with Hatch Chiles right now.
That's why we're using Hatch Chiles,
That's
and
why
of
we're
course
using
that brings it to the it makes it green. And what do we got? Some pictures up here.
So this is Hatch Chile. So Hatch Chiles hail from Hatch, New Mexico, and the season for their growing and harvesting is really, really short. And it's the only place in the country that they grow.
Oh.
So in the American Southwest, they throw these huge festivals that revolve around these chilies.
Okay.
And we have kind of picked that up and adopted it into our own. So this is only available this weekend at Port Fonda.
Oh, wow.
The entire year. You'll only get it this weekend.
Limited time only. So was he roasting them in there in that picture?
Yeah, so it's a big, it looks like a big raffle
Tumbler,
roaster.
yeah,
exactly.
yeah.
And they roast off and then you peel them and you can put them in anything. They're really good to eat on their own. They come in mild or hot.
Okay.
Or you can put them in all of your recipes.
At first, I couldn't tell on that picture what he was doing. At first, I thought for some reason he was in a parade float, getting his hand up, like waving at everybody. But no, he was roasting
the chilies to make this mix.
Yeah, so let's talk about the mix.
So everything we have to make the mix is over here.
Okay.
It's an amalgamation of things. It's citrus juice, so we use orange, lime, and lemon. We roast off and blend up some Hatch chilies for it as well.
So that like a puree or something?
Exactly, yes. Okay. And then we're gonna add some apple cider vinegar. Our hot sauce of choice is green Tabasco. We use jalapeno Tabasco for this one.
Now, even when you do like your red tomato beers, will you still use the green chili sauce?
We use Valentina at that point. So
gotcha.
we have a plethora of hot sauces.
So we're bringing that verde back into
we
it,
are,
right?
everything green.
All right.
Then we're gonna add a little agave for sweetness, and this is Maggi, and people have seen it before. It's kind of an umami bomb. So it adds a little bit of like soy sauce, savory notes to this. So we're gonna blend all that up.
Wow.
And strain it.
Okay.
And then we're gonna put some ice in a glass. Everybody salts it down. It's really good with chili salt if you like the spice. We started with a little bit of lime juice, enough from like half of a lime. We're gonna add just an ounce of our mix, or more if you really, really like that flavor, but an ounce will give you exactly what you need.
Oh yeah, and that's definitely a little bit thicker.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's,
so then we're gonna
the
top
puree
it off.
Hatch chili that's making it that thick.
Exactly.
Then, right?
We strain it through a little bit, but those bits are nice.
Yeah.
You like that texture a
Gives
little
you some
bit.
texture to it, yeah.
And then we're pouring Dos Equis today, so that's what we're gonna top it off with. Be careful not to get your beer on your salt, because it'll end up like a class science project. It'll explode over the top.
Oh yeah, it'll get fizzy.
Exactly. So kind of go a little less on the top.
Chemistry.
Michelada Verde. So it's a little spicy.
So it's only available at Port Fonda this weekend.
Yes.
So if you want to try your Michelada Verde, get down to Westport and Port Fonda. Come visit Milissa this weekend at Port Fonda. So let's cheers to it.
Salud.
Salud. There you go. Belinda, over to you.